It says the ABBA 3-row dimple lock. The cam lock in a vending machine style format. You can see the plunger retracting there in the back. I'm going to use this medium Moki A cab, and always scrubbing to test the pins. So there's one overset a little bit at first. 1 and 2 are set. 3 is loose. 4 felt loose. Keyway gets a little tight in this lock. There, 5 set. Felt the plug free up a little bit. Check these top pins. Feels like that one went up. I think that was maybe 3. And 4 got a little bit more plug movement. Got a pretty deep false set now. 2 feels like it's binding. 1 was loose. I'm on the left side now. Keyway's getting pretty snug. Can't hardly get this flag through here anymore. Back one's loose. 1 in front of it is binding. There we go. Keyway's so tight now my flag is stuck in there. But always scrubbing to test them. Yeah, that's how tight that keyway is. There's a lot of low lifts on it, and opposing low lifts too. So I think it's stuck right there in between those 2 low lifts. I'm not going to turn it any further either, because I think that the left side and the top, they look like they're in line. Those pins look like they're lined up. So I'm not going to risk bricking it. I'm just going to lock it back up, because it's also not guttable without drilling that pin. I don't see any other way to gut this lock. And I really don't want to drill that pin. I don't really feel like doing that. So this will just be a pick with no gut. That is the ABBA 3-row dimple lock.